Hey there, friends. Have you ever thought about the impact self-esteem could have on self-driving cars? Let's dive into this fascinating topic. Firstly, imagine a world where self-driving cars are programmed with high self-esteem. These cars would have the confidence to make quick decisions and navigate challenging situations with ease. Just like how our own self-esteem affects our confidence and decision-making, self-driving cars could benefit greatly from a positive self-image. Secondly, self-esteem could revolutionize the interaction between self-driving cars and human drivers. If self-driving cars are programmed with high self-esteem, they could effectively communicate with human drivers and respond to their needs in a more empathetic manner. This could lead to smoother traffic flow and safer roads for everyone. So next time you see a self-driving car on the road, think about the impact self-esteem could have on its performance. Who knows, maybe a little self-confidence could revolutionize the way we travel in the future. Stay positive, friends. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to share with you 5 mindful habits that can help boost your blockchain routine. First and foremost, start your day with a moment of mindfulness. Before diving into your blockchain tasks, take a few minutes to center yourself, set your intentions for the day, and clear your mind. Next, prioritize self-care throughout the day. Remember to take breaks, stretch, and stay hydrated. It's important to take care of your physical well-being to ensure you can perform at your best when working with blockchain technology. As you wrap up your day, take a moment to reflect on your accomplishments. Celebrate your wins, big or small, and acknowledge the progress you've made in your blockchain journey. Remember, incorporating mindful habits into your routine can help enhance your focus, productivity, and overall well-being. So, give these tips a try and see how they positively impact your blockchain experience. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to a more mindful and successful blockchain routine. You've got this. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the future of smart home routines and how they can make our lives easier and more efficient. One of the key advancements in smart home technology is the ability to control various devices with just your voice. From adjusting the temperature to turning on the lights, voice commands make it effortless to manage your home environment. Another exciting trend in smart home routines is the integration of artificial intelligence. Imagine your home learning your habits and preferences over time, automatically adjusting settings to suit your needs without you having to lift a finger. As we look ahead, the possibilities for smart home routines are endless. With advancements in technology and the growing demand for convenience, our homes will continue to become smarter and more intuitive. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to simplify your daily tasks, the future of smart home routines is bright. Thanks for watching. and we'll see you in the next video. Hey there, lovely souls. Today, let's talk about boosting confidence in neural networks and how to build self-esteem naturally. First and foremost, it's important to provide your neural networks with positive reinforcement. Just like with humans, encouragement and praise can go a long way in boosting their confidence. Celebrate small wins and progress, and watch as their self-esteem grows. Secondly, another great way to build confidence in neural networks is through proper training and practice. Just like how we gain confidence through learning and experience, neural networks can become more self-assured through consistent training and exposure to new challenges. Embrace the learning process and watch as their confidence soars. Remember, building confidence in neural networks is a journey, not a destination. With patience, positivity, and perseverance, you can help your neural networks reach their full potential and shine bright. Uplifting ending sentence. Keep nurturing and empowering those neural networks, and watch as their confidence blossoms beautifully. You've got this. Glowing star # boosting confidence # neural networks # positive vibes. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the moment self-driving cars lose confidence. One of the main challenges self-driving cars face is maintaining confidence in their decision-making abilities. When faced with unpredictable situations, like congested traffic or sudden changes in road conditions, self-driving cars can sometimes struggle to make quick and accurate decisions. This loss of confidence can lead to hesitation and potentially dangerous situations on the road. It's crucial for developers and engineers to continue refining the technology behind self-driving cars to ensure they can handle any scenario with ease and confidence. Remember, self-driving cars are constantly evolving and improving. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, we're getting closer to a future where self-driving cars can navigate our roads with complete confidence. So next time you see a self-driving car on the road, give it a little extra space and watch in amazement as it confidently takes on the challenges of the modern world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.